Good morning! So ito po yung 8 kilowatt na inverter. So meron din pong battery. Ayan. So ito po, meron po siyang manual transfer switch. Ayan. So I would teach you now how to do this pagka nag-brown out or outages sa area nyo. Kasi pagka once nag-brown out din yung bahay. Pero paano magkakaroon ng kuryente? Because of the storage. And ito po yung gagawin natin. Pagka nagkaroon ng brown out sa area nyo, very simple lang. So, alright. So, ito po yung manual transfer switch. Yan, lapit mo ng konti, kuya. So, makikita nyo, solar nakalagay. Or the left side, or yung 60 amperes, yan po yung solar side. So naka-off po siya kasi may ilaw naman eh. So ito naman po yung grid. So pagka nag-brown out, baba nyo lang to, put this down, then so you can move this, and then turn this up. So magkakaroon ulit ng power sa bahay. So that's how simple it is. Yan. Okay. So, yun lang po. Thank you. God bless you. And when the power comes back, syempre, just have to reverse the order. Yun lang. Thank you.